everybody, I'm Rudrani, and it's going to be a fun red carpet when you have Shalini Pasi joining in. I am always so delighted. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Delhi's going to miss you for a while. You're here now. Mumbai is having you.
Yeah.
How is it going?
Great. It's been very, very hectic, and I'm really enjoying all the love that I'm receiving from all over the world. It's also inspired me to do much more and to retrospect and to be able to deliver what they expect of me.
Of
So I'm all ready for it.
But of course, it's Shalini. We'll have to do fashion different. So can we flaunt your little amazing collection of bag here? Look
Yeah.
at this. Hello. How are you, Ducky? Have you eaten well?
Yeah. Or is
Love
it going to
it.
be eaten?
Or are you going to be eaten? No.
No, I know.
So cute, but flaunted. I love it.
Yeah.
Did you? Like we said, you always in an eclectic, centric kind of fashion sense. Tell me how you look at your fashion journey, and being here and kind of being celebrated among the best in fashion.
Well, I'm really honored and excited to be here and to see how the night unfolds and who gets an award. So very excited about that. Also, I've never thought myself as to be somebody who's very fashionable. I just wear what I feel like wearing, and if people think it's interesting, then great. If not, then it's fine.
I have also realized that you also come with a sense of responsibility, right? Wherever you know what you're doing and stuff like. Is it difficult when you become popular, and there is also so many different things that you have to handle? What do you do then?
So I personally I set very high standards for my own self, and most of the time I'm like just trying to match up to my own expectations. Honestly, for me, it's like if I can match up to my own expectations, is fine. Everybody else's expectation is actually much less, and my own are way much more. So for me, I think
When there is negative news, is that the way you look at it as well? Like, how do you deal with that?
so. Actually, I really like when people say things like, why does she change her hairstyle? The makeup is not good, or the outfit, because also like they don't understand. Like if they see something in a light, and
Yeah.
and I do put out a lot of videos, because sometimes you can just put one image and that could be the perfect image,
Yeah.
but sometimes the perfect outfit doesn't get photographed properly. So it's all very subjective. You see, it's all very subjective, and then you have to learn to live with it. And yeah,
Why not? Of course. See, this is the kind of confidence that we all need to wake up with. The Shalini Pasi confidence. All right. Some quick questions, and then you can go and have an absolutely amazing night ahead. Are you ready? A fashion trend that you would never do. You're like
skinny
this.
jeans,
Never.
skinny jeans,
They need to go.
jeans need to go. You- right?
Absolutely. A fashion advice that you receive from someone that you take very seriously, and who's that person?
Fashion advice. Actually, I get a lot of fashion advice from my fashion designer friends and my stylist, but I don't take it. If I took it, then I wouldn't. I would be more classier.
Name me one actor or a person who's given you some advice, and that which is you didn't take it, but it's fine.
Some actor, actually,
Or a designer.
many years ago, some friends told me that why do you wear so much pink and floral, and I'm like, I love pink. It makes me happy. I'm not a very like a minimalist black person, So that's it. And that's it. And now everybody loves pink, and people love floral, and the fashion has
color.
changed, and people are experimenting with prints, which is amazing. So
There you go. Always do what you think is right, isn't it? All right. Things that you have to carry with you always. If it's fashionable three items that you usually have around you or with you.
fashionable three items: comb, lipstick. Yeah, it's not fashionable. It's not fashionable.
Lipstick is fashionable.
Lipstick.
Give it a try.
Comb, lipstick, and I like to have a bag or something with me. Yeah.
And that bag you can't forget, can you?
Bag you can't forget, because bag adds the fun. You see,
I
it
know.
adds the fun element.
It's fantastic. All right. The last one is, if you had to give a one-liner advice to all the young women today, what would you tell them and what?
One line advice would be yourself, work on yourself, work hard. You're young, there's a lot that you can do, opportunities. You have so much opportunities which our generation did not have, so make use of it.
Sure.
You have much more freedom to experiment, and there's so many options. So please don't miss out the opportunities in life.
Absolutely.
Don't be lazy.
Don't be lazy. I must ask you, please tell us what's happening. What on screen thing are you creating? What's happening? Of course, there's going to be another season. We know that. So tell us, how's the drama unfolding behind the scenes?
Well, you'll have to wait and watch for that one.
For that one,
For that
season
one.
3 of the show, okay. But I heard that there are more.
Bombay.
I know there are a lot of things happening. Give me like a hint.
So lots of things. I'm actually doing a lot of interesting ads, which I'm really enjoying doing because it's so different for me to actually read from the script for the ads, and I'm doing some very interesting ads for women, for insurance, for healthcare. So I'm really liking that. It's a format that I've not done before.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, on that note, thank you so much. Always a pleasure. Shalini has won a Grazia Fashion Award 2025 here in her hand, and we have a very, very amazing category as well, right? It's the rule breaker. You've always been a rule breaker. Tell us how you feel right now. It's a big moment.
I'm not sure what rules I have broken, and just being myself, wearing lots of hair clips. If that's called breaking the rules,
Absolutely.
then break the rules, darling.
I love it.
I'm so happy. I love this award. It's so nice.
You know, it's great. The series has been winning awards. You personally have been winning awards. Also, you realize that there are people who see the side who see that you're authentic, and they appreciate you for that. It's always encouraging, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm really grateful for all the love that I'm receiving, and it inspires me to do even better. So all the love that has come my way, it's like wind beneath my wings. I want to do better.
Thank you so much, and all the very best. And all the very best.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Bye bye.